my love, everyone who knows me knows that I am a characteristically indecisive and non-committal. I couldn't even make it to brunch this morning. And thank goodness, and thank you for setting me up with the in-room catering. You always have my back. Anyway, it's a character flaw, but it's also opened up an incredible life adventure for me. So I'm proud of that. And yet here we are, standing here making the ultimate commitment.
You are beautiful, fearless, and vibrantly, undeniably yourself. You live a full and authentic life that has inspired me to do the same. We found each other through space and time. All the turns and reroutings of our life journeys, and yet I cannot imagine a path that would not have led me to you.
I think about how much I love you all the time. Sometimes it's a little too much to hold. My life has only gone up since you've been in it with me. So this is a marriage of potential. I'm astounded by yours. The things I have watched you overcome have given me a faith that cannot be shaken. We will find our best selves together. I know we are protected as long as we protect each other. Amber, you are like no one I have ever met. You are mine. I am yours. We always get everything we want. I love you. Ashe.
I promise to honor your life by showing up for you wholeheartedly and without condition. I promise to be the moon to your sun. And even though I may not always make it to midnight or even 10 o'clock, I promise to make every moment with you count. I promise to be your wife, your lover, your nurse, your cheerleader, and your buoy in the ocean of life. I love you, Rachel. Thank you for being my person.
By the power vested in me in the state of New York and by your own free will here, we now pronounce you married.
We're blessed to have both of you. We love you. We love having you around. We're very excited for you today, and we love you. And we just want to say cheers, ashe, and many, many years. Thank you. Thank you.
May your bone broth always be clear and nourishing. May the lemons in your master cleanse always be sweet. And may your care for one another and connection to all those here this evening, those in our hearts, and those whose path is graced by the love of your union, sustain you for all of your days.
Let us toast Amber and Rachael. May your love be deeper than the ocean and more enduring than the tides. May you continue to ride out every wave side by side, knowing that you have the wind of your ancestors at your back and the love of this family always surrounding you.
Joining hearts together, we say to our God, thank you for blessing us. Thank you for the courage. Thank you for the favor that has touched all of our hearts. We love you so much. So, I don't have the drink, but let's have a toast to Rachel and Amber and this new life.